Hey folks, welcome. Jimmy D's Guitar Lesson Rock Talk. Today we're going to talk about power chords. Stay tuned. Alright, hey, let's talk power chords today. Really easy to learn. And if you practice it, you'll get really good. First of all, what I want you to do is you tell me what your favorite power chord is, and please leave a comment below. I want to hear what yours is. I want to play your favorite power chord and rock out with it. If you got a few power chords that you want me to play, I'll play them all. So we're going to talk about the power chord. Very easy. We're going to play with the distorted guitar. It's going to be part of the first lessons of the rock out stuff. Bar chord's very easy. It's a root third, right? Remember we had other videos where we talked about the two strings. Well, this is pretty much the two strings, but we're just going to concentrate more on rock stuff, make it sound really cool. So we're going to play. I'll have everything up there, all the chords and whatnot. Let's try a G chord, G power chord. So you put your finger here on the 6th string, on the 3rd fret, and this is the 3rd. So we're on the 5th string, on the 5th fret. Once you know that pattern, you can move it down. G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, back to E. Here's we got an A here. We got an E here. It's kind of like doing this, where you're playing up here, but you're not. But you kind of see what I'm doing. C, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, sharp, E. F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Really easy to practice, really easy to learn. Just, learn it, practice it. I'm just playing right now the easy stuff, the dots, right? Just follow that. 2 fingers. Want to get really fancy, you can play. So if I'm playing a C here, I got the C. On the third fret on the 5th string, on the 3rd string on the 5th. Let's see if I want to go play the string right below it on the G string. Can make it even more fuller, but this is pretty good. Just do the 2. See. So very simple. It's based on the root and the 3rd. So we're just going to play everything on the on the 5th string, on the A, on the D string, 4th. So right now this is the C. So where do I got my finger? On the 3rd fret and on the 5th fret. There's the chord there. Okay. And keep that pattern there and slide it down. Like you got a D. And you got an E if you keep going. So really just 3 chords here. C, D, E. Sounds really good. Alright, hey, if you guys like these lessons, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, it really helps me out. Leave a comment because I want to know what other content I should add to make lessons for you. So something really simple could sound really good. So just practice that, really easy. There's chords up there. Keep practicing and let me know what you think. Rock on. Click like and subscribe. Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Rock on.